Hi, I'm Lee Fisher. I'm the Dean of Cleveland Marshall College of Law at Cleveland State University. And I want to invite you to our open house on Monday, October 14th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. If you can't stay the whole time, that's all right. Just come anytime. But be there on October 14th because we want you to consider, no, more than consider, we want you to apply. In fact, more than apply, we want you to enroll at Cleveland Marshall College of Law. And if you come, we got a gift for you. Your own personalized copy of the U.S. Constitution. See you on Monday, October 14th. Cleveland State University's Cleveland Marshall College of Law. For over 120 years, we've fostered legal education through guaranteed scholarships and affordable tuition, preparing great lawyers who are also great leaders, changing our world and reaching new heights. Cleveland Marshall had the highest pass rate in the state of Ohio on the July 2018 bar exam at 93%, and the second consecutive first place in state bar passage. Our 2008 class also achieved 95.5% employment. More and more students are recognizing the value of a Cleveland Marshall education. We are rising, new heights, new possibilities. See you at the open house. Learn law, live justice.